Let's talk about a typical business ABC that wants to improve employee and customer satisfaction like every other business. The VP of Marketing is assigned to be the project manager and Project Happiness is launched. Emails are sent out looking for Team Happiness members. Someone from each department is volunteered and Team Happiness is up and running. The team conducts a survey and determines that employees and customers want changes. Big shock. If they could just eliminate the back and forth communication and many useless conference calls and meetings, their employees and customers would be happier and more efficient. Team Happiness was shocked by this revelation and on the path to find a solution. After multiple hours of research, communicating with vendors and summarizing their results, Team Happiness uncovered 3 potential solutions. 1. Convert all customers and employees to Giggle calendars so that everyone can see each other's calendars. 2. Replace the current phone system with smartphones, which have clairvoyant buttons from a company called Forbidden Fruit. 3. Purchase inexpensive license to cloud-based calendar sharing system from Approved Contact. The Happiness team shares their ideas with their departments and asks for feedback, positive only please. Option C, Approved Contact won by a landslide. After compiling the feedback, Team Happiness meets with the project manager to announce Approved Contact as the solution with overwhelming support. The procurement process begins and then purchasing gets involved. Purchasing has a few questions. 1. Can I see the decision matrix that your team used to define the requirements? 2. Which department has a budget established for Project Happiness? 3. How much return on investment will Happiness really produce? A dark cloud settles over Team Happiness as they realize the procurement process is more extensive than asking for quotes. With purchasing now aboard, Happiness has now been renamed to the Committee Responsible for a Potential. Crap. With purchasing now in control, they try to make sense of the many emails that went back and forth from the 3 vendors. They learned that the smartphone wasn't bid with a clairvoyant button, it was bid with a buoyant button that ensured your smartphone would float. They also reveal that marketing people are awesome at generating ideas and purchasing people are awesome at organizing and bringing to life those ideas. 2 out of the 3 vendors selected to bid on the opportunity have assembled a crack sales team to win the ABC opportunity. Follow-up emails are sent to the Happiness team members reinforcing product benefits. Follow-up phone calls are placed asking, "Have you received my emails?" Desperate for feedback, the vendors trample their way up the organization chart with more emails and phone calls requesting a face-to-face meeting. The contract is awarded to ApprovedContact.com and life at ABC is about to improve. Forbidden Fruit and Giggle hold post-opportunity meetings to discuss why they didn't win ABC's business. No giggles at Giggle as their management groups scold their sales team for not building a relationship with the ABC decision-makers. Giggle Management coaches the sales team to follow up all mass emails with cold call campaigns to triple prospects' response rates. With industry average email response rates hovering around 1% and phone calls being answered 3% of the time, we are only wasting our time 97% of the time, which equals lots of giggles. There is a better way, the AC way. Our vision: to transform the inefficient selling model supported by email and random phone calls. Historically, selling models have focused primarily on relationships and face-to-face meetings. Purchasing decisions should have collaboration from superiors, committees, and other authorities within the hierarchy of the decision-making process. We believe this collaboration should be an efficient and time-saving process. Thus, we have created AC. Needs that Approved Contact fulfills. Transparent bidding process. Effective way to communicate. Reduce incoming prospecting calls, accountable tracking of online discussions, quick and easy scheduling of conference calls and appointments.